Hey, what's up? I have another compact Full HD projector, but this time it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. I think the projectors in 2022 should support Wi-Fi, so you can quickly mirror the screen of your smartphone on a big projection screen. The name of this product is Pixthink D100. We have already tested projector from this brand about 1 year ago on our channel Tech Brothers. By the way, Pixthink M1 is still available on sale, and it also looks good for 2022. You can watch the video about it by the link in description. Design is one of the main features of the new Pixthink D100 because it looks very nice, and it has a slot for smartphone at the top and even a drawer at the bottom for TV stick and USB flash drive. Let's talk about all the features of the new projector in this video. Please hit the like button and leave the comments if you have any questions while watching the video. So the projector is delivered in a cube box. As you can see, one of the main features of Pixthink D100 is hidden design with TV stick compartment. We can also read about other features on the box, such as 76 watt power output, bright Full HD visual, 7500 lumens LED light source, hi-fi stereo, etc. Inside the box there is a projector itself. We can look closer at it a little later. There is also another box with a remote control, power cable, quick start guide, and a cloth to wipe the lens. The previous model had a high-quality carrying bag and even 100-inch screen included. The new projector doesn't even have HDMI cable in the package. Now let's take a closer look at the new projector. Pixthink D100 is a compact projector, but it is not portable because it doesn't have a built-in battery. You need to plug it into the power source. The body dimensions are 180 by 165 by 110 mm. The weight is 1190 grams. As you can see, the front side is black, while the other part of the case is white. This is the only color option available for this model. The lens on the front looks very big. There is also an infrared receiver next to the lens. Under the lens we can see many holes for air intake. The cold air passes through the housing, thereby cooling it, and then the warm air comes out the back. On the back there is USB port, HDMI port, audio port, and AC power inlet. As I already said, Pixthink D100 has hidden compartment for TV sticks. It is located at the bottom, and you just have to pull down to open the cover. There is another HDMI and USB ports, so you can plug in TV sticks or USB flash drive. And close the cover, and they will not stick out of the back of the projector. I really like this solution. There is also 1/4 inch mounting screw hole at the bottom for tripod or ceiling mount. At the top we can see a single wheel to adjust the focus, a slot for smartphone, and a single power button. I don't think you need more buttons on the projector case, because everybody uses a remote control. Talking about remote control, it is made of quite cheap plastic. However, there are some useful buttons, such as Keystone correction, projection direction, volume controls, and others. Another feature of the new Pixthink projector is dual-watt speakers. The first speaker grill is located on the left side, while the second one is on the right. By the way, you can use projector as a Bluetooth speakers for your smartphone. Later we will check this function as well as the speaker quality. Now let's look at the user interface and settings of Pixthink D100 projector. There is no Android operating system, but the user interface looks very nice. On the main screen we can choose iOS App AirPlay, iOS Wi-Fi AirPlay, Android screen, signal source, and settings. There is also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB icons in the right top corner. If you don't like a wallpaper on the main screen, you can change it, and there are many wallpapers available on the projector, but you can also set your own picture from USB drive. We will talk about screen mirroring a little later, but now let's go to the settings menu. Here we have projection settings, network settings, Bluetooth settings, switch theme, other settings, and about. The projection settings include projection mode, zoom in-out, vertical correction, horizontal correction, corner correction, and keystone correction reset. By the way, if you want to change picture mode, color temperature, and some other settings, you need to press on the settings button on the remote control. This is very convenient because you can quickly change a picture mode and color temperature depending on the movie, game, or even document. Let's go back to the main settings menu. In the network settings you can connect to your home Wi-Fi network. The new projector also has Bluetooth settings. By the way, the Bluetooth connection is bidirectional. It means that you can connect a projector to external speaker if you don't like the quality of the built-in speaker. In addition, you can connect a smartphone to projector and use the built-in speaker to listen to music. Later, we will check quality of projector, built-in speaker. Pixthink D100 has not only wallpapers, but also themes. You can choose fresh, blue, purple and gold themes. That's very nice. The other settings include boot signal input, power on mode, Keystone, screensaver time, shutdown time, language settings, and restore to factory settings. Okay, now I want to show you how to connect the smartphone to the projector. Actually, there are 3 methods to connect the smartphone to projector, 2 for iOS devices and 1 for Android. I have the iPhone, so I will show you the first 2 methods. If you choose the iOS App AirPlay method, then the projector creates its own Wi-Fi network, and you need to connect the smartphone to this network. After that, just open Screen Mirroring menu on your iPhone and select the projector. The second method is called iOS Wi-Fi AirPlay, and you need to connect the projector and smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network from your router. Go to the network settings on projector and enter the password from your home Wi-Fi network. Now you have to pick up your smartphone again and select projector in the screen mirroring menu. That's all. Before testing built-in speaker, I want to measure a noise level. As you can see, the noise level near projector is 45 dB. And it is about 34 dB at 1 meter. Finally, let's talk about built-in speaker of Pixthink D100 projector. You know, it is another feature of this model. The sound quality is very good for a compact projector. Let's listen to some music. As already said, you can use a projector as a Bluetooth speaker for your smartphone. For that, you need to press the power button on projector and then select Bluetooth speaker. Now take your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and connect to projector. You can play music on YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify or anywhere else and listen to it on a projector. I think we have already talked about everything of the new projector except projection quality. Let's watch some videos already. So Pixthink D100 has native Full HD 1080p resolution. The brightness is 300 ANSI Lumens. You know, these are very good specs for $130 projector. The maximum projection size is 300 inches, but for better image quality, it should not exceed 150 inches. I have placed the projector at about 2 meters from the wall, and the screen size in my case is about 70 inches. The image is really clear, and I really think it is native Full HD resolution. You know, I didn't find information about contrast ratio, but I think the colors are good.
along down here with us too, okay?
The commanding officer called you one of the best pilots he's ever seen. It must be hard being the
naval aviator? Absolutely.
Really? Let's make it a road trip.
There's thousands of things to see. But just the tiniest little taste of death. Oh, dear mother.
10 p.m. sharp. No smoking or drinking. No pants.
What? I'm a pitcher, and you need me.
Is that so? Everybody on the team has to have a job at the factory.
So any job?
Max, can you...
Combining with Budimir, who goes down under the attentions of Junior, will be a free kick. 25 minutes gone in the first half, Saturday night at the second down neutral situations.
Evans taken off to the 31.
And today they haven't done that. They tried to make it simpler, but I think they need to get back to throwing it on this. But here's one key.
Third year coach. What does he come up with here? They come out throwing it to Chase. Able to duck it away and bring it.
That bridge there is what you would call rigging.
This looks promising.
Microphone hole on the right side. Unfortunately, this is not for phone calls. The mic is used for the Chinese voice assistant. If you don't know Chinese, then this feature is useless for you. As a new fitness bracelet, S5 ATM water resistant power bank with lanyard, USB Type-C cable, user manual, and warranty card. By the way, a power bank also comes with a ring and install guide in the package. If your phone case...
And here is a closer look at the 4 watch faces that are available on this watch.
Opening up the box, we have our case right here. Again, wireless charging capabilities with this case, setting it to the side.
To work out with the lower one, and here they are reversed. The touch operation is also pretty straightforward. Swipe down for quick toggles.
The brightness is more than enough for use a projector in the dark room, but also you can use it in the daytime. The image is not bad, is it? Set the current connection and connect to another smartphone. The lid is quite tough and it is held in the open position. In addition, the lid makes a nice clap when you close it. I like this.
Where are you guys headed? I gotta rinse off this old baggage.
Whoa! Look at you!
What about me?
Can't mess with her.
Which, as we know, is a very much on and off field relationship. So we're into the second half then. Mallorca will get us underway, playing from left to right in an all white. What the hell are you doing?
I thought that you would catch it.
My back turned?
This is our one shot.
So what if right here, right now, we forget the rules?
That you don't get to the...
So I'm very surprised by the new Pixthink D100 projector. It looks like the most thoughtful budget projector in 2022. It has not only good projection quality, thanks to native Full HD resolution and 300 ANSI Lumens brightness, but also a very good user-friendly interface, where you can change a wallpaper, theme, and many different settings. The dual-band Wi-Fi allows you to connect a smartphone and mirror a screen. You can also use a projector as a Bluetooth speaker for your smartphone. The design is another feature of this projector, because it has a slot for smartphone at the top, and a hidden compartment for TV sticks and a USB flash drive at the bottom. So the projector has many useful details, both in design, user interface and settings. For the price of $129, Pixthink D100 is probably the best projector I have tested in 2022. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!